All right, welcome back to the deep dive. Today we are jumping into an area where I think cynicism is pretty high.
Oh, yeah.
We're talking about those gaming platforms, the ones that promise real-world prizes for competing.
We all seen the ad.
Exactly. Can you really win cash just for playing, games you're already playing?
Yeah.
So our mission today was to focus on one of them, repeat.gg, and just figure out if it's legit.
So let's just define it real quick. Repeat.gg is basically a platform that runs free esports tournaments.
Okay.
The whole thing is automated. You just connect your game account, like Fortnite or whatever, join a tournament on their site, and it just tracks your score. No extra downloads, nothing.
So it's frictionless.
Totally. And if
Yeah.
you rank high enough on the leaderboard, you win cash or prizes.
Which sounds great, and it's also why the main question we had was, well, blunt, is repeat.gg legitimate, or is it another scam?
And the good news is the sources give a really definitive answer. It is a legitimate company.
Okay, thank you. Let's unpack the evidence then. How did we get to that conclusion?
Well, the first place we looked was user reviews. And we're not talking about like 10 5-star reviews from bots.
Right.
On Trustpilot, it has a 3.9-star rating from over 800 reviews.
That's a pretty solid sample size.
It is. And the crucial thing is, a lot of users are actually posting screenshots of their winnings, like real proof of payouts.
So that's the user side. What about a more institutional view?
That's where it gets even clearer. Scam Advisor, which is an industry metric, gives the site a perfect trust score, 100 out of 100.
Wow, a perfect score.
Plus, the site's been operating for 6 years. You know, a typical scam website just doesn't have that kind of staying power.
That's a really good point. But the biggest piece of evidence, the real clincher, isn't even that.
No, it's the backing. It's who is financially supporting them.
Hey, who is that?
Major industry players. Most importantly, PlayStation.
Wait, hold on. You're saying PlayStation isn't just like running ads on there. They're actual backers.
Your actual backers, and that just changes the whole equation,
Yeah,
right?
it has to. Why would a company that massive risk its reputation on some fly-by-night operation?
They wouldn't. It signals a huge level of confidence in the whole model, the fairness, the tech, everything.
Okay, but we did look at the complaints. To be thorough, it's not all glowing praise.
No platform is perfect, but what's interesting is what people complain about.
Right. What do we find?
The issues are generally operational hiccups. Things like a dispute over a specific tournament rule or maybe a payout taking a little longer than expected.
So normal customer service stuff, not accusations of, they stole my money.
Exactly. The core mechanics seem to be sound. But this brings up a really important caveat for you.
Okay.
While the site is legitimate, it is absolutely not easy money. We have to stress this. The competition is incredibly fierce.
So you're not just playing against your friends.
No. You're up against thousands of other skilled players. Some of them are probably already streamers or semi-pro. You have to be really, really good to consistently win.
So the takeaway is, yes, repeat.gg is safe and legit if you want to test your skills for prizes. But you have to go in with realistic expectations. You have to earn those wins.
Absolutely. And that leaves us with a final thought to chew on. Given that these huge companies like PlayStation are backing these skill-based prize platforms, what does that signal?
What do you mean?
I mean, what does it say about the future?
Yeah.
Where your in-game performance could be integrated into, real, verifiable mainstream reward systems? Think about what that level of endorsement really means next time you're queuing up.